official. So tonight is the night. We're gonna take it over the huge. Want to get it up to at least 120. ADM K24A. It's not gonna really be a max. I'm not gonna push it to the max. I want to bring it up. I want to see how quick it'll creep to 120. And I needed alignment, so I probably shouldn't be doing this right now. If you guys can see that, but look at my wheel. It's literally like slanted. After I put my coils on, I never got an alignment, so we're not gonna go too crazy tonight. So for all the new people, this is a 2007 Civic Si Coupe with a JDM K24A engine, bolt-ons, and an E-tune. And I'm revving to 7,800 RPMs right now on the stock pump. I'm gonna scope this spot out real quick first. Let's go. Oh my God. All right, that was 130, but that was quick. Like, that was probably the quickest I've ever went in this thing. God, yo, be sure you guys like this video. Drop your comments down below. What's the quickest you brought yours up to? And subscribe down below for more content, guys. I had to make this video for you. I had numerous people hitting me up. It could have went more, but I mean, like I said, a little sketchy. I'm happy with the $130 real quick. This car never disappoints to impress me, guys. It just covers everything I throw at it. It's good in every different area. It's good for a daily. It's good for a performance car. It's so much fun that, like, I had the crap day earlier, and I just hopped in this thing right now and did that, and absolutely had a blast, and my mood just enhanced. And it's corny as hell to say, but it's crazy what VTEC and a decent performance engine can do, and how it can make you feel. So yeah, stay tuned. I have 2 new mods coming in tomorrow for the FG2 here. It's gonna complement the interior perfectly, and I'll just throw it out there, guys. I'm redoing the steering wheel very soon. I'm changing out this crusty emblem, and drop a comment if I should go carbon fiber dash. I was just gonna do this panel right here. I know it's hard to see, but literally where the speedometer is, I was just gonna do that, essentially carbon fiber. There's the pose. But I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.